Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to choose your stocks carefully. Well, this video might relate to the previous video as well on how to what on how to how would you find out that whether this stock is worth buying or selling. This video might relate to the previous video as well, as both of them show the same explains the same concept. In now I'm going to be showing you how to choose on stocks carefully. Well, first of all, you are going to do that on the basis of how much, what is your budget, how much stocks do you want to buy, on what should be the total price of the stocks you want to invest. First of all, that should be the question you should ask, and then after that, find out the stocks are that you want to buy that might be trading in their downside. As you can see over here, this is a particular stock that it was in a downtrend for quite a long time. Now how long? Let me say 18th of June, sorry, 18th of June it was its highest high, and from that time up till now, up till 29th of December. So it's 6 months that this stock was going in a downward direction. So now now it is clear from this analysis that this stock is moving in an upward direction. So whenever you want to invest in this type of stock, always invest in these portions over here, at these portions, at these candlesticks, or maybe this one, in order to move along the trend. When the trend is moving, now it's a strong trend to the upward, but there is another problem over here. It might be a resistance level as well. Let me clearly show that. Yes, this one, red for resist. It might be a resistance level as well, as if this trend line broke it, if these candlesticks broke this trend line and move along, then it's definitely an uptrend and moving in the upward direction. So I'm also in the trade, and I'm going to make profit out of it. So whether if it's not like if it turns around, then it's a great idea to move to short your now I will the whole analysis is now dependent upon the next trading day to show to now if the candlestick we will wait for the other candlesticks to show us how the stock will perform, take its further steps. In order to do that, the next candlesticks, if it's a bearish candlestick, then it's a great position entry position to short your position at that level, a great short position, if you might say it, at that level. If not, if it broke its trend line, then it's a great entry level to long your position at that level. So we will wait for other candlestick to show us how this particular stock will perform. Now at this level, the moving average also showed that it's moving upward, but at this level it formed a resistance level and moved downward. So I'm going to wait for it to show me how this stock will perform. Another thing about this one, how about this one? Well, I'm going to wait for it. I'm going to wait for this stock to show me, like, it's trading in a side trend. So I'm going to wait for it to show me how this stock will perform. Now it formed a resistance level, as you can see. Well, you can it might be moving in a downward in a downtrend, as it's a lower high at lower low sorry a lower high at this as you can see over here, it's a lower high. So I'm going to wait for it to show me, to give me an idea of how the where the trend is heading, what is the direction of the trend. So in this case, it touched its support level. So you might buy the stock as at this level and move along with it, and sell it as it reach its resistance levels. So its resistance level is over here. In case if it broke this resistance level, move your resistance level upward and even further. So this is the resistance level. If the stock turns out goes along your plane, then sell your stocks at whenever it reaches near this resistance level. And how to choose that? Well, it depends totally on the technical analysis that you do for particular stock. Now whether if your if you're shorting your position, or you want to long your position. It all depends on that technical analysis, and patience is the most important factor in this in trading in the stock market, because you will wait for stocks to give you instant profits, and have fun trading in this in the stock market. So if you're trading in the stock market, always wait for the stock to give you a clear idea of how this stock will perform further. And if you want to choose it wisely, choose it carefully, because if you make a mistake, then that mistake will cost you. Besides that, if you are investing in the stock market, always do your technical analysis, and always do your risk margin. Do not risk most of your account. And because technical analysis and risk management are also important for buying. If you are buying at these levels, so always do your if you always do your risk management, because without risk management you do not know how below the how lower the stock might be going. So in order to not face any losses, you should do your you should also do your risk management. Your risk management might be over here, maybe over here at this level, or maybe it's too much, you want to move it upward up till this point. So it totally depends upon you, or how much risk management you want to calculate for your stock that you are buying. Now let's say if you bought over here, so what your risk management should be is that you might adjust it up to 3.32%, and your take profit should be up till this level. How much are these now? 8.14. This should be your take profits. So whenever you are investing in the stock market, always invest wisely, so that you do not face any type of losses in it. Because it is said by Warren Buffett that um, that there are two rules to investing: never lose money, and the second rule is follow rule number one. So these rules you should keep in mind, that you should not risk your amount, you should not lose your money, and make a profit, and make a huge profit out of it. So this is my profit over here. How much profit I've made? 23.26%. Like, at what phase I bought? 7.08. I bought at 7.0809. It's okay. I will lower my risk management, maybe lower it even further. And yeah, by the way, do not follow these signs, these the dodgy star bearish, because they sometimes occurs at a places that it does not make a sense whether that stock would turn into a bearish at that level. So ignore these type of signs, and these P type of signs in the stock market. So this is my risk management. This is my risk management for this particular stock. It's quite a huge profit. So always do your, if you cannot calculate your risk management, always use this indicators for calculating that for you, the take profits and risk management. And that's it for today. Well, before ending, always cherry pick your stocks, like you're buying the foods in a market, buying food in a market, and you're not buying a perfume from a store. Always buy on the intention, or on that intention. When you're buying food, you carefully pick up the fruits, or the foods, or the vegetables, the fresh vegetables. Always buy on that concept. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.